topic, hormones and hormones are the chemical secretions and they produced by the various glands of our body. Uh, these are actually acts as a primary messengers. In 1905, Starling coined the term hormone from the Greek word hormao for excite or stir up, and there are few properties of it. We are going to see that hormones are organic compounds which are produced by endocrine glands. These hormones are required in very minute quantity, and hormones exert their effect always in the remote areas. Okay, hormones are transported with the help of bloodstream. Hormones have low molecular weight, then they may accelerate the inhibit metabolic processes, then they get destroyed after their function, thus the hormone can, but hormone cannot be reused. Hormones may or may not be. This is the endocrine glands of our body, that is pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries, and the testes. So endocrine glands synthesize the hormones, and that is passes through the bloodstream, and the exocrine glands they produces the enzyme which passes through the ducts. For example, the sweat gland. Now we'll see the difference between hormones and the enzyme. Hormones they are secreted by the endocrine glands, while the enzyme they are secreted by the exocrine glands. Hormones they are poured into the bloodstream, while enzymes they are poured into the duct. Okay, so they transport it through the blood, and here enzyme they transport it through the duct. Hormones may be protein, steroid, or the tyrosine derivative. Enzymes are always a protein. Hormone get destroyed after their reaction, while the enzyme they acts as a catalyst and thus remain after the reaction. Hormones cannot be reused, but enzymes can be reused. Hormones control the reaction is not reversible, so enzymatic reactions are reversible. Hormone act in remote area while the enzymes act locally. Uh, the classification of hormones, it has been done on the several bases. The various types of hormone based on the different parameters. They are the type of hormones on the basis of distance between the site of production and their mode of action. They are the endocrine hormone, paracrine hormone, autocrine hormone. And second one is the types of hormone on the basis of their chemical nature. So you can see that in autocrine hormone, for example, insulin like growth factor 1, the hormone they are synthesized by the same cell and act upon on the same cell. While in case of paracrine hormone, you can see that the hormone they are synthesized by one cell and they act on the nearby cell. For example, somatostatin in case of the pancreatic cells. Then endocrine hormone, you can see that they is synthesized by one cell and they act on the distant cell. This hormone passes through the circulation. For example, the pituitary gland hormones like FSH and LH. Classification of hormones based upon their chemical nature. They are the peptide hormones, steroid hormones, and tyrosine derivative hormones.